This is a KRC-2 that was purchased by a customer in about 2007. He sent it back to us to see if we could upgrade it. So I've added the sensitivity control, which was on the later version, and changed the input filters and a few other little details to try and bring him up to date. And this should be working on the medium wave. I'll just turn up the regeneration. That's capital gold. The radio's working with a 10-foot L inverted. That's capital gold on 1548.
Really good at crushing the virus once it's tried to set up a colony somewhere.
The Independent Allocation of Vaccines Group, the IAVG, recently revealed they'd only been able to validate less than, I think, 10% of the estimated 8 billion doses of vaccine which have been administered around the world. What's happened there?
That's China radio.
How many vaccines are potentially going to waste?
17.49 megahertz.
Waste in every country. We're seeing,
and that's quite easy to pick up. You can pick that up virtually all morning.
Poorer countries, middle countries. Where you see most wastage is where you've not been able to plan effectively in reasonable time, but also if you've received vaccines with a very short shelf life. We sadly saw a tragedy.
Also be heard on Channel 1. You can find social media platforms. Our programs are also available on TuneIn and via satellite Eutelsat 16A.
This is Shannon Varna. Shannon Varna. Forecast. Valid from the 23rd at 1200 until the 24th at 1800.
That's the Volmet coming through on 5.505 on a very old KRC-2. Thank you for watching.